Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video we're going to talk about a potentially huge moneymaker in the health industry. But before we get started, can I just ask you guys to drop a like on this video as well as press that subscribe button. It goes a long way in supporting the channel. So the stock I want to talk about today is called Spectrum Pharmaceuticals, otherwise known as SPPI. The price of this stock is currently $3.19, which isn't actually a bad price at all. We have also seen this company as high as $24 a share. This was about 2 years ago, but it is definitely worth keeping that in mind. It's important to remember that this stock seems to have a lot of volatility. I'd put this down to a couple reasons. Reason one would be that it's technically a penny stock, and reason two, it's within the pharmaceutical and health industry. Everything that these types of pharmaceutical companies do is heavily dependent on the FDA. If the drug that they're working on gets approved, then the share price usually shoots up. But if the drug doesn't get approved, then the price will likely go down. This is exactly why you need to be really careful when investing in companies in the health and pharmaceutical industries. One thing that I do want to mention is that BlackRock, a massive institution well known within the finance industry, has been heavily investing in SPPI. When big institutions like this invest in a company, it's a very good sign that it will do well. Analysts who follow Spectrum Pharmaceuticals on average expect it to climb 158% over the next 12 months. Those same analysts give the stock an average rating of a strong buy. The first drug that SPPI are working on is called Rolontis. Rolontis is being developed for chemotherapy-induced neutropenia in patients with breast cancer. The second drug is being developed to help with mutation in non-small cell cancer and for patients with breast cancer. Both of these drugs are in advanced development right now. Spectrum Pharmaceuticals is a biopharmaceutical company focused on acquiring, developing and commercializing novel and targeted oncology therapies. Spectrum has a strong track record of successfully executing across the biopharmaceutical business model. From in-licensing and acquiring differentiated drugs, clinically developing novel assets, successfully gaining regulatory approvals, and commercializing in a competitive healthcare marketplace. Spectrum has a late-stage pipeline with novel assets that serve areas of unmet need. The pipeline has the potential to transform the company in the near future. Rolontis is currently at stage 3, which means this is the last stage before it gets approved. If you get in now while the price is low, and then the drug gets approved by the FDA, there's a massive potential to make some serious money here. The second drug is actually in stage 2 right now, but it is very close to being in stage 3. These two drugs are looking very likely to be approved by the FDA. This stock is definitely one to add to your watch list and keep an eye on. Like always, I recommend you guys do your own research into this stock and only buy if you completely believe in the company and their mission. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on SPPI. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you like the content I'm putting out. These things do go a long way into supporting the channel.